If you are a business or startup founder, then I'll show you the easiest way to find contact details of any businesses, creators, or just someone using gmailo.ai. So let's get started. So first of all, visit gmailo.ai, and here you can find this assistant feature over here. So just simply click over there. So here in this chatbot, you can just explain about your potential user, your potential client, or your potential businesses, and it will find you the details. For now, my startup is DLR Serve. So for that platform, I need to find creators who could be using our product. So what I will do is, can you find me creators who share gaming related contents? Let me ask this detail to the chatbot, and it is analyzing my request. It is most probably searching my required my prompt to the internet, to the Google and different platforms. Cool. So you can see here I've got the details of all or like many creators over here. Now I'll say, can you find more details? Can you find more details? Now it is finding more details, more contact emails of these creators. Now what I can do is I can simply save this. I'll simply save it as a new database because I need to store this somewhere. So I'll simply say, but I'll add it to my existing database. So I have DLSR product creators database. Now I'll simply save over there. I have got the new data on this database. Now what I can do is I have all these data. Now I can create an email campaign from this one place. So what I can do is I'll simply name the campaign like test. I'll choose the recipients and I'll do AI powered email so that AI will talk on behalf of us. So let me do next. Now here I'll set an objective of the AI. I'll say book a 15-minute call. Now for AI, I need to give some data. So I'll simply give a full name and interest, and I'll click on next, and I'll choose all the email account that I want to send email from. So I'll choose my email accounts. I have connected like around 11 email addresses from Gmail. So I'll simply use those details and I'll click on next. Now here AI will be drafting our content. Amazing. So you can see here. So AI have like drafted the content. AI have written us the email. Now I can simply click on launch campaign and it will send the email. So it is as simple as that. So by using this method, you can find your potential client, you can find creators, you can find someone who could be buying your product using Gmail or AI. And on top of that, you can also automate the replies so that AI will talk on behalf of you and book you a meeting, or it can do the work that would have taken you a couple of hours. It is as simple as that. So I'll give you the link in the description. Go and try it for yourself. Thank you.